ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ। ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਆ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ? ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ ਹਿਊਮਨ ਰਿਲੇਸ਼ਨ ਥਿਊਰੀ ਐਂਡ ਦਾ ਕੰਟਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਐਲਟਨ ਮਿਓ ਟੂ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ। ਐਲਟਨ ਮਿਓ is known and the father of human relation theory. The starting point of human relation theory is scientific management or economic man model formulated by F.W. Taylor, Frederick Winslow Taylor. Taylor in his scientific management said that it is the money or the monetary reward which motivate a worker to produce more. So Elton Mayo started investigation. Is it really monetary or money rewards which motivate a worker to produce more? So Elton Mayo did lot of research. He did research on Hawthorne plant from 1924 to 1933 and propounded his human relation theory. Elton Mayo was born on 26 December 1880 at Adelaide, Australia. He died on 7 September 1947. Elton Mayo was a industrial sociologist and psychologist who did research on industry. Elton Mayo did experiments. His experiments are known as Hawthorne experiments from 1924 to 33. In 1933, he wrote a book, The Human Problem of Industrial Civilization. This book was published in 1933, and his experiments conducted in the Hawthorne plant of Western Electric Company, Chicago, were summarized by Frank J. Rutherford and Mr. Dickens in 1939. Elton Mayo started investigation. Was it money or monetary rewards to motivate a worker or a man to produce more? Man is not a cogs and nuts in the machine. Man is not a machine. He lives in a society. He is a social animal. He has thinking power. So it is not always the money which motivate a man to produce more. Sometimes simple shabash, good, well done, motivates to do good, to produce better, to produce more. So this is human relation theory. Human relation theory, which was propounded by Elton Mayo, is very important in management and human relation management. HRM, you can say. Human resource management, you can say. HRM is really based on human relation theory. So Elton Mayo is the father of human relation theory. Elton Mayo is of the researcher who discovered non-formal organization existed in every formal organization. He did his experiments from 1924 to 33, and the outcome of these experiments is human relation theory. The human relation theory of Elton Mayo provides that it is not always the money or the monetary reward which motivate a worker to produce more. It is something else. These something else are, it can be attention, it can be working conditions, it can be environmental factors, it can be something else. So Elton Mayo rejected that money always motivate a man to produce more. Sometimes intention, sometimes working conditions, your social relations motivate you to produce more. So Elton Mayo, after his experiments, come to the conclusion that a human being is motivated by a variety of factors. These factors can be attention, these factors can be working conditions, these factors can be your social relations. There exists non-formal organization in every organization, which show that social relations are very important for human beings. Social norms. Sometimes social norms can motivate you to produce more. So, the experiments she did at Hawthorne plant of Western Electric Company are as follow. Number one, lightning effect. Alton Mayo selected some girls, some workers you can say. He increased the light in the working room. The production increased. Then he dimmed the light. The production increased. So it shows, this experiment shows it is not the physical thing which motivate a worker to produce more. It is something else. What is that something else? He started investigations. The experiments of bank wiring resulted in group norms. There are group norms, social relations. There exists informal organization in every formal organization. Is very important contribution of Alton Mayo. Alton Mayo reduces the recess time. When he reduces the recess time, the working hours increased, but production decreased. There is something else which motivates a man to produce more. He brings the washroom for the workers close to the working location. The production decreased. It shows when they go to washroom, they discuss their views, they discuss their social issues, they discuss their family, they discuss their other issues. So, human relation theory propounded by Alton Mayo resulted that it is not always the monetary or money which motivate a worker to produce more. It is a variety of factors which motivate workers to produce more. As Taylor said, pay more, they will produce more. No, human relation theory rejected this. It is not only the money, it is something else. It can be attention, it can be group norms, social relations, informal organization, informal relations. When you are working in an organization, you have a formal relations. But in every formal organization, there is the existence of informal organization, which is very important. So, Alton Mayo made social man model which is totally opposite to the economic man model of Taylor. Sometimes even simple shabashi, very good, well done, you have done good, motivates you to produce more. Alton Mayo also found workers' participation is very important in organization, in management, you can say. There must be effective leadership. Leaders are also existed in non-formal organizations to whom the workers listen, read their views, formulate their views. So, human relation theory propounded by Alton Mayo resulted that it is not always money which motivates a man to produce more. It is something else. Attention, working conditions, group norms, non-formal organizations, non-formal relations. Man is a social animal. He is not a machine. He is not a cog and nuts in the machines. He has a thinking power. He can think. He can make his view. So, always it is not economic reward. The human relation theory also provides social man model. It also provides that there are variety of factors which motivate a man to produce more. The human beings resist to change. This was also the finding of human relation theory or the experiments conducted by Alton Mayo at Hawthorne plant of Western Electric Company. So friends, this was the human relation theory propounded by Alton Mayo. But there is also a criticism of this human relation theory. You can criticize. Number one, money is more important. No doubt it is a physical thing, but money is needed for your basic requirements. Money is more important than all other variety of factors which motivate a man to produce more. If your needs are not met, your needs are met only with money. Paisa. You need. The human relation theory also provides that recess, vacation is not a factor. If you decrease the time of recess, the production decreased. The working hours increased, but the production decreased. If you bring the washroom near to the working location, it decreased the production. So friends, this was the human relation theory. Alton Mayo, here is a economic man model, scientific management theory propounded by F.W. Taylor. This is the human relation theory propounded by Alton Mayo, and it provides us social man model. So friends, this was a short video on human relation theory and the contribution of Alton Mayo. And अगर ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਈਕ ਕਰਿਓ, ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਕੋਮਲ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੂੰ YouTube ਤੇ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ, ਆਪਣੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੱਸੋ ਚੈਨਲ ਬਾਰੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰਾਓ ਤੇ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਤੇ। ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ, ਨਮਸਕਾਰ, ਸਲਾਮ।